Okay, this is looking really good. Um, let's see what's going on with this thing here. Usually when you see that kind of weirdness, it means there's like surfaces right on top of each other. Yeah, it looks like this got a little messed up. Um, and what I mean by that, it's like surface like, there's like two sets. See how there's sort of two sets of surfaces here? Often that happens if you select something and hit extrude, but then don't move it afterwards. So for this one, it's pretty far gone and you don't have the history on there. So I would just recreate this. Just follow the steps again and you can get that right if you want to fix that. Because it's not worth saving this one because it's only a few steps to build it anyway. Um, this is looking good. Um, one little detail I can mention with this is that you don't need to bevel all the edges. Like see all these extra edges right here. Those are unnecessary. So I'm just going to isolate this by hitting this button here. And it could be a little cleaner without, and also see these diagonal ones. You don't need all those extra edges there. So if I can get rid of the bevel by hitting hitting Control A to go into the attribute editor, and then finding my bevel in the tabs, and then hit select, and then delete, and it puts it back to this stage. And then when I go to bevel, I'm going to look at the from the top and select all of these. But I don't need all these inside edges, so I'm going to hold down Control. And actually, let's do this from the top view. Holding down spacebar, click in the middle, top view. F for frame selected. Okay, so I'm just going to hold down Control and deselect all these. And those. Okay, whoops. Make sure I'm holding down Control. Okay. And then let's look at the front. Hold down spacebar for hotbox, click in the middle, front view, F for frame selected, and I'll hold down Control and deselect these and these. So now I have only and exactly the edges that I want to bevel selected. And then when I do Control B and increase the segments, maybe adjust the fraction a little bit. You can see I don't have all those extra edges here, and I don't have all those extra diagonal edges. So it's just a cleaner model. Not a big problem or anything, but just this looks good, good. You could probably take all of these guys and put them in a group. Control G, and then name that. Yeah, this looks good. Yeah, really, it's good. I did these with a pipe rather than with the torus. You might want to bevel this guy as well. Maybe scale him up a little bit. So fills. Yeah, both of these I would. Ooh. That's interesting. I don't know what's happening there. Just trying to see if there's something weird with the surface. Is this one doing the same thing? No, this one's normal. Well, I might just delete this then and duplicate that one and put that down here. And then I don't know what was going on with that other one. That was weird. Oh, it's still doing it. What? That's really weird. Let's start with a fresh cube. Really strange. Okay, that's acting normal now when I bevel it. I don't know what was going on. That other one. Anyway, you'll want to bevel those like so. Something like that. But yeah, this is looking really good. Nice work on this.